Hi, I'm Michael Galley. I'm the Director of International Recruitment and Admissions at the British Columbia Institute of Technology. BCIT is a public post-secondary institution with approximately 48,000 students, 4,500 international students. It's an applied technical institute, so all of our programs are hands-on. When you graduate, you come out with skills as well as the knowledge, and this is what gets you a job. And this is what BCIT is very famous for. Our students find employment very quickly after graduation. The environment at BCIT is intensive. So you're studying a lot at BCIT. It's not a place where you go and have a party time at university. BCIT is very serious. So when you are at BCIT, you will be in school 25 to 30 hours a week. You will have 25 to 30 hours of homework. It's full time. So what happens? Students get very serious. They work together very closely. You make very good friendships with the other students in your program at BCIT because you really need to rely on each other. Nobody studies alone. Right? Most of what you do is done in groups. You're doing group projects. So again, when you graduate, you have all those skills that will apply to the jobs that you go and do. Because when you go and work, nobody works alone either. Everybody works in a team as part of a company. And this is what BCIT teaches you. So we'd love to have you come to BCIT and study one of our 2-year or 4-year programs. We have masters and bachelors and diplomas and certificates. There are many options for you. And if you're going to come, please talk to our friends at Pacific Premier because they offer great services to support you in coming to Canada to study.